So in this chapter, we're going to learn about sound. So we're going to learn what sound is, how sound is produced, how sound travels in different medium, what are the different types of musical instruments, what type of sounds do they produce, and finally working of the human ear. So these are the various topics we're going to learn in this chapter. So let's begin. So the first question is, what exactly is sound? So sound is basically a form of energy, just like heat is a form of energy, light is a form of energy, electricity is a form of energy. Similarly, sound also, it is a form of energy. And what does sound do? It enables us to hear. So for example, right now when I'm speaking, you're able to hear my sound. So how does it work? I produce sound. The sound, when it enters your ears, that's when you're able to hear me. So sound is basically a form of energy which enables us to hear things. Now there are many types of sounds being produced in our day-to-day life. Let's look at some examples. Something which we all love to do, listening to music from our phone. So when you plug in your headphone or earphone to the phone and play music, sound is produced over here which you're able to hear. Similarly, when it rains, when the water strikes the roof, you can hear the sound. Similarly, the chirping of birds. So these are various sounds taking place in our day-to-day life. So see, sound is a form of energy which makes us hear. So I hope the definition is clear. Let's have a look at more examples. This over here is the sound of an alarm clock. So first thing in the morning when you have to wake up for school, what sound do you hear? The sound of the alarm clock. Similarly, the sound of the switch on and off. Similarly, when you're moving the regulator, a sound is produced. Next, when you talk to your friend on the phone, again a sound is there. Now the beauty of sound is, though you may not be able to see your friend, but still from the sound you can recognize who it is. Is it clear? So every sound is different from the other. Similarly, when four people are talking, again sound is produced. So see, thus every sound has a unique quality which distinguishes from other sounds. So if 2-3 people are talking and all of them are your friends, by the sound itself you can make out who it is. It helps us to communicate or talk with others. So this over here is the definition of sound. I repeat, sound is basically a form of energy which enables us to hear, and there are many sounds taking place around us. All these sounds have a unique quality. Is it clear? So this over here is the introduction to sound.